What is cryptocurrency? Cow hears about magic wheat that lives in the sky. No barn, no silo, just wheat that moves by itself. How does that work? Let's understand cryptocurrency, but with wheat. Cow has normal wheat. Cow plants it, grows it, stores it in barn. Cow trades it for hay. Everyone knows normal wheat. Everyone trusts normal wheat because they can see it and touch it. This is like regular money, dollars, pesos, whatever humans use. Governments control it, banks hold it. But now there's magic wheat, digital wheat, cryptocurrency. Imagine every animal on farm has same notebook. Cow writes in notebook, cow has 10 wheat. Pig writes same thing in pig's notebook. Chicken writes in chicken's notebook, goat writes in goat's notebook. Now every animal has same information about who has what wheat. If cow gives pig 2 wheat, every animal must update notebooks together. Everyone checks everyone else. No single animal can cheat because others will catch them. This is blockchain. Many computers sharing same information. No one controls it alone. Everyone verifies together. Bitcoin was first magic wheat, started in 2009 by someone mysterious named Satoshi Nakamoto. No one knows if Satoshi was cow, human, or group of chickens, but Bitcoin solved big problem. Digital money always failed because someone could copy it, like copying drawing of wheat and pretending it's real. Bitcoin made copying impossible. Every Bitcoin unique like every wheat stalk in field. New Bitcoins created through mining, but not mining like digging holes, mining like solving really hard math puzzles. First computer to solve puzzle gets new Bitcoin. Computers compete worldwide. Very energy intensive, very expensive electricity. But that's how new magic wheat enters world. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. Limited supply, like only so many wheat stalks can grow in a field. Scarcity creates value. Cow needs place to store magic wheat. Cow has a wooden treasure box with small key. Inside box, few wheat kernels. Key lets cow access wheat. Lose key, lose wheat. Digital wallet works same way. Cow has private key, secret password. If cow forgets password, digital wheat gone forever. No bank to call, no password reset. Magic wheat requires magic responsibility. Price of magic wheat goes up and down like cow on a trampoline. One day cow happy, pile growing. Next day storm comes, pile shrinking. Very volatile, very stressful for cow heart. Cow must have strong stomach for this ride. Thousands of other cryptocurrencies exist now, called altcoins. Ethereum allows smart contracts, programs that run automatically when conditions met. Dogecoin started as a joke but became real. Some useful, some speculative, some complete scams. Speaking of scams, Sneaky Fox always appears with promises, guaranteed returns, limited time offer. Too good to be true. Cow must remember if something sounds too good, probably fake. Real projects don't need to beg for money. Real teams open and accountable. Governments everywhere making rules for magic wheat. Some countries embrace it, some ban it completely. Farm must follow local laws. And taxes. If cow sells magic wheat for profit, cow must pay taxes. Even magic wheat not magic enough to escape taxman. Smart cow doesn't put all wheat in one basket. Smart cow keeps some real wheat in barn, some magic wheat on phone, some seeds planted for future. Diversification protects against any single disaster. But wait, if magic wheat lives in the sky, can storm blow it away? Yes, price can crash, projects can fail, scams can steal. But smart cow prepared with strong barn backup. Cryptocurrency not really magic, just new technology doing what money always done, helping cows trade value, but faster, cheaper, global. No banks needed, no borders stopping it, just computers and code and consensus. Cow learned important lesson today. Understand before investing. Start small, never risk what cow can't lose. Stay curious but cautious. Magic wheat and real wheat can coexist peacefully in a balanced portfolio. Digital wheat or real wheat, both need understanding, both need care, both need knowledge. Keep learning, keep growing. Move forward with wisdom. Cow waves goodbye, wheat field sways in wind. Magic wheat glows softly in cloud above. The end.